Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Adata XPG SX8200 Pro, which is a NVMe PCIe SSD, and yeah, we're just going to be unboxing and see what's inside. The SX8200 Pro comes in a very, well, neat packaging. It's just very simple. So you can see the SSD picture is on top, which one is it, and storage capacity. Turning it to the back, and let me just zoom in a bit further. Hopefully you can see it. So XPG, then that's the up there, SX8200 Pro M.2 2280 PCIe Gen 3x4 SSD, max performance, reads of up to 3500 MB and write up to 2300 MB per second. Let's get this opened. So opening it up, you can see that there is the SSD right here, and this is actually a DIY heatsink, so you actually have to take it out and put it on yourself. So you can see there's some 3M tape on the back, and other than that, this is all that comes in the box. So you're going to have to make sure that, yeah, this fits properly when you put this on, like this. Yeah, so that's it. It's literally just the SSD itself. Very simple and very nice. This SSD comes in at about 195 SGD, while the Samsung 970 Pro, which has about the same read speeds but the write speeds on the Samsung are a bit faster, costs 320 SGD around there. So it's a price difference of about 100 to 120 SGD depending on where you can find it. So that's why I do think that if this actually manages to perform up to its capabilities, this would definitely be a way cheaper option, and I'll definitely be testing this a lot more after I finish building another build, and yeah, hopefully be able to test the high-end games, benchmarks, stuff like that. So let me know what you'd like to see from the test, maybe things like how fast does it load the game, how fast is startup speed, and yeah, let me know in the comments. Sorry, this is a really short video, but yeah, I'm just slightly busy working on quite a few other things, so hopefully you bear with me for now. Anyways, like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!